is if you, there's no way for me to be in front of you and for me to hit you, right?
Yes. I was turning too.
There's no way for me to be in front of you and for me to hit you, right?
Right.
Okay.
I understand. I was turning too to left turn. The left
But
turn.
I don't understand how, if I'm in the left turning lane.
Yeah, I was like left. I was going to the left turn. You are left turn already.
I know I was in the left turn already.
Right.
And you flew right past me on the other side of the double yellow and sideswiped the car. Bro, I love this car more than anything.
No, I understand. I love this car too.
Bro, this is the most expensive thing I will ever own in my whole life. I love this car, okay?
So luckily I hit your...
Bro, this is thousands of dollars of damage. Bro, this is at least $7,000 to $8,000 of damage. Bro, this is bad. Look, that rim alone is almost $1,000 and it's broken.
And it's my one too, look right here.
Bro, listen. I understand your car is damaged, but you can buy 2 or 3 of these for the price of that.
I understand. You know, I'm big fat fuck too, but I don't understand what to do. So
Damn, bro.
I was in left turn, try to make a U-turn.
How are you gonna make a U-turn from?
That's the U-turn line right there. I mean,
There's no U-turn there, man. That's a left turning lane to make a left down 112.
No, I understand, but there was I was gonna almost hit the lights, the turn. Left turn. Make a left turn. What year is this?
It's a 2014, man. Who's your insurance company?
State Farm.
Okay.
So that's like $8,000 damage?
It's probably at least, dude. At least. It's a special color. It's called Black Sapphire Metallic. It's dirty right now, but this is sparkle in this paint. Yeah, you're good. If she cuts it all the way to the left, she'll make it out. You can cut it all the way. Cut it all the way to the left. Yep. Keep going. You can keep going in reverse. Keep going. You got plenty of room. Reverse. You got plenty. Bro, I can't tell you exactly off the top of my head, but it's not cheap. It is not going to be cheap. They might total the car.
This one?
They might total the car, man.
Like this scratch and this?
Bro, this is not a scratch. This has to be replaced.
Oh.
Fucking unbelievable.